welcome back in the Not Just Sawdust workshop. I was out for some sandpaper, and at the shop they had this saw blade for the grinder. It cost $4.85, and although it looks a bit dangerous to me, I thought, well, let's bring it along. And then I came to another shop and I found this one, and it's only $2.35, like half the price. It looks the same, although I think it's a bit thinner than the more expensive one. But so what I want to do is to make something, of course, where I can use these things. Okay, first test piece is in. And I don't got a switch on it, so I'm just doing it by this. It's gonna make a bit of noise, and let's see what happens. Okay, first experiment, it works, but I need to have a clamp on here so it stays in the middle. I'm gonna have to find a system for that, but for now I can just put a clamp here and here so it won't run off. Second time. Let's put it a bit up now. Now, this was just a test, because I didn't put everything exactly in the middle, and this is just screwed on with 2 screws, but as you can see, it makes nice holes, and of course I can move that around, make them bigger and smaller, deeper. So I think the experiment is gone well, and well, I'm gonna make some clamps here so I can adjust that. This is working fine with the big knob, and I think the mean machine is deserving to be painted green. So yeah, that's it for this time. Do some woodworking, it's a nice way to spend your time. Do some recycling, it's an even better way to spend your time. As you can see, everything on this thing is reclaimed stuff, even the screws are. So it's possible. And for now, até logo. Oh man, this is great. This is great, but I've got to carve better. But when I do it more secure and more accurate, this works fine. And this olive wood is very hot, so. But it doesn't burn the blade. Perfect. It's time for coffee!